Big up, big up, big up, kings and queens. Big up. Big up yourself. Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody had a blessed day. Well, go on. I have to turn on the car. Hold on. Hot. Well, go on, kings and queens. Just come to the pharmacy. And me alone, I get tonight. Chocolate busy. She's a busy woman. Something I admire about her. She had to take care of her some of her business, so we have to deal with. She had to deal with that right now. We just come to the pharmacy. Just go get a prescription. They got a dentist today. Man, I get my prescription. To get some dental work done, man. They tell me say at 3 hours I could be there for 3 hours. Felt like I was here all day. Almost 5 hours I was there for, because he kept taking care of other people and yeah, I'll be back. And I'm like, what about me? You think I want to be in here all day? Man, that's not good. That's not nice. You have to do that to people. Schedule people for an appointment and then you keep leaving them and going and seeing other people. Man, I was at the dentist longer than my work. I was at the dentist longer than I was at work. May I tell you? I worked for 4 hours. I was at the dentist for 5. Ridiculous. For him to keep stopping. Yeah, but like I say, I'm me alone. I get tonight. Chocolate busy. She had to deal with some business. She had to deal with some stuff for her business. So I'm me alone. I get tonight. Tomorrow night, Chocolate and I will come on. We get with cake from Miss Lothian. Can't wait for with fruit cake from Miss Lothian. Can't wait for taste it. And we get with rum punch. So tomorrow night we are gonna sample Miss Lothian rum punch and our fruit cake. Pan we live. Yeah. So me just stay here. So I make me come on since she busy. And me just run out from the pharmacy. Just come into my car. So make me come hang out with my kings and queens for a little bit. Yeah. But me there. So me here say a certain somebody I chat about we. But me have to tell that certain somebody, Miss In Prison 2022, that come check we next year. We're not time for you. We're not time for you this year. Come check we next year. Yeah? We're not time for you. We're busy. We're too busy for you. So, check we next year. If you're lucky. If you're lucky. We're not time for no foolishness. We're not no time for no foolishness this year. Una ready for the awards? Ooh, ready for the awards. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Can I get some love for the International Women's Achievement Award? Woo, woo. Yes, baby. Come on. Una can't not go. You have to come see the one and only Auntie Donna, who I host the award. You have to come see Chris and Kazim. You have to come see Lady V. You have to come see Dr. Love. And of course you have to come see me and Chocolate. Yes. Yes. We don't have to come see we can't wait for meet some of our followers. Yeah. International Women's Award. Not people I hate pun it, but you see this year turn up from the floor up. We're gonna show you. We can show you better than we can tell you. Remember that. Remember that. We can show you better than we can tell you. We're gonna turn up this year. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna turn up this year. You know, once Auntie Donna, a host, and all the plankers and royals and the candy factory show up, of course, things are gonna turn up. Turn up, me say. Yes, turn up. So make sure you get your tickets. We're gonna be giving away 2 tickets. If you don't have your ticket yet, Chocolate and I will be giving away 2 tickets tomorrow night. Pun will live. 2 tickets. So if you don't have your ticket yet, come tomorrow night. We're gonna be giving away 2. So, so make sure you come check us out tomorrow night. Chocolate and Vanilla BFF, of course. Yeah. You know, say last night it did a rain. And me turn to my husband, thunder and lightning, and me turn to my husband and say, you know what we need? And me say, what? Me say, we need to build a room in the backyard and put one zinc roof on it. Me like to hear the rain fall upon the zinc roof. We can just make one special room and put one zinc roof in the backyard. Yeah. And say, we'll see. Not make no promises, but we'll see. So, raining hard last night. Yeah. Did it rain? Nothing like the zinc roof, don't. I lie me I tell? Nothing like hearing the rain upon the zinc roof. You know, say true me I talk. True me I talk. And the rain upon the zinc roof put you in a special kind of mood, you know. Me no know about uno. But it put me in some special kind of mood. Yes. Yes, the rain upon the zinc roof put me in one special mood. So we have to have it have to be a room just for me and him. Nobody else can come in there. It's secluded to me and him. Me and him only. It's an adult room. Adult room only. No, none of the kids can't come in there, no. And we have make the room a little ways away from the halls. So if me have to break down another bed or anything like that, you know, me can deal with that. Me can deal with it right. Yeah. Me used to love to hear the rain upon the zinc roof of Jamaica. Man, back in the days, when we used to go, Chocolate and I used to go. That was long before me ever stay a resort. Long before me ever stay a resort. We used to stay with Chocolate and our husband. We used to stay for them hosts at Jamaica. Man, go through some. We have some good time. We have some good time at Jamaica. Hold on. Sorry, car vibration made my phone knock over. Yeah, we used to have some fun at Jamaica. Yeah. Remember we used to bathe with the water hose outside, in our clothes. Yeah. Couldn't chat to me. Couldn't tell me nothing. You could not tell me nothing. Yeah. I when it rain and we got a river. And we stop, you know. One time we got a river, a whole group of we. I got a river. And it did a rain, and we said, all right, we are catch up in a one bar. We are catch up in the right under the covering of the bar. And it a pour outside. And we all look upon each other and we're like, what we are stand up here. When our river go get wet. We're gone. Gone into the river. Yeah. Gone to river. In the rain. Yeah, we'll go build a raft. Yeah. We have fun. We built a raft in the river. I swim. Everybody stand up in a line. We swim under each other's legs. I grab after each other's legs. Man, we have some good. We have some good time at Jamaica. Yeah, we have some good time at Jamaica. Remember my 21st birthday. That's a birthday? Me tell say that's a birthday. Me never ever forget. My 21st birthday. Me to take a draw off of some kushumpeng. Me take a draw off of some kushumpeng. Oh no, kushumpeng don't. Oh no, kushumpeng. You want me to tell you what kushum pang is? You don't want me to tell you what the kushum pang is? Give me the weed, good ganja weed. Yeah, me know kushum pang. Yes, man, me know kushum pang. Me know kushum pang, man. Me a white girl, but me know certain things, you know. Me know. Chocolate teach me enough, you know. Chocolate teach me enough. Enough. Yes. Tell everybody else, when them around me, them try to take credit for everything chocolate teach me. And you can't tell them, say, if somebody say, are you teacher? Are you teacher all that? Are you teacher everything in a patois? Are you teacher so much? Them say, yeah, I'm me. And me look upon them like, I know you. Yeah. Call them out. Say, I know you. Tell them, I know you. I'll Chaka husband do that one time we got Dunn's River. Yeah. We got Dunn's River and the tour guide will say, because we were going to climb the falls, the tour guide will say, are you teacher all that patois? And say, yeah man, I'm me. I look upon him and say, I know you are your wife. Yeah. Call him out. Yeah, I have to give credit where credit is due. Yeah. A whole heap of stuff chocolate teach me. You only see my post from the other day, don't? And that's not even a small glimpse. A small little piece. My hands are tired. I couldn't type no more. My finger ended tired for type. Yeah, my finger ended tired. I can't even go into all of everything chocolate teach me. Can't do it. Yeah. Started with the bad words. Started with all the cussing. All the cussing. She teach me every bad word. Teach me to mix them, mingle them, slice them, dice them, everything together. Yeah. Yeah. When we used to go visit, when we used to go over her house and me on my way home, it could be 12 o'clock at night and I told we a cuss. A pure bad word. Cause I about 2 minutes me did live from her. Yeah. A pure bad word you hear. Wee hours of the morning, a cuss. Me a cuss her, she a cuss me back. Me a cuss her, she a cuss me back. Slice, dice, words. This bad word there, that bad word there, this bad word. Yeah. And I ramp. Yeah. Take care of it, man. Deal with it. But learn it. Yeah. And then make it worse when we move with her. Go to New York. Yeah, when she was moving back to New York and she tell me, for come. I'm going to say, your mother could be alright with me coming. She'll say, yeah, man. Her mother said, come, bring her. Mama not wrong. I had to learn quick. And Ron, Chocolate's brother Ron. Yeah, I had to learn quick. Because I'm not speak English. A pure patois. A fella me hard, a pure patois them a talk. Yeah, pure patois them a talk. Me had to catch on quick. And then all of our family, them, when them come, or we go over their house, we go here, we go to this sister house, that sister house, this brother house, that brother house. All of them a pure patois them talk. Me not no choice but to pick it up. Me have to catch it. If me not catch it, something wrong with me head. Cause I that alone none chat. That alone them used to chat. Yeah. And me used to say, I wonder if me I got ever understand what I'm gonna say. I want to go to Jamaica for the first time. That was even worse. I have to talk about that one next time. Yeah. The first time I go to Jamaica. I talk about it long time ago, you know. Long time ago. Now I gotta tell another story. And go into a little bit more detail. Yeah. That was a piece of something. A ball. A ball the first time I go to Jamaica. A ball. Yeah. But back to New York. Then on top of it, we used to go to a club. And a pure reggae music. Pure reggae music. pure Jamaicans around me, a pure patois them I talk. Yeah, nobody not speaky spooky for me. No, nobody not twang for me. See? You want to be around where you have to catch the language. Yes. Pick it up or get left. I'm going to have to pick it up. Pick it up fast. Pick it up fast. Yeah. Once I learned it, there was no turning back. No turning back. Yeah. Till me used to all go up on the train with Mama, Chocolate's mother. We used to go up on the train with her. Go to Manhattan. And she, like I said, a pure patois she talking on. So me I answer her back in English. Yeah. Everybody I look upon we. The first time I ever hear her cuss. I when people used to stare upon we. And she used one bad word and say, take a picture will last longer. She tell them to take a picture. Yeah. She tell me, say, maybe we need to put up a picture into the train. Make them stare upon the picture versus staring upon we. Yeah. The bus too. The bus too. Yep. People used to stare because true Shina Twang. Yeah. A straight patois she talk. And me I answer her. And I answer everything she said. We just conversate back and forth. She in a patois, me in English. So go. Yeah. Yeah, man. I have some good time. I learn a lot from Chocolate. I learn a lot from being around her family. Yeah. It's a blessing to be able to know another culture and understand it to the depth I understand it. Yeah. People never used to like I could hear people in the train talk and conversate back and forth, and me I chuckle, you know, because I realize I understand what them talk, and them look upon me, and me laugh because me know what them chat. Yeah, me know what them chat, and they look upon me and they're like, you understand? Yep. Yeah. Yep. I meet some of the most amazing people along my Jamaican journey. Yeah. From back into the day to now to future. Yes. A lot of amazing Jamaican people. A lot of amazing Jamaican people. Yeah. Them tell me say I'm adopted into the culture. Or so Chocolate family always tell me. So you're not American anymore. You're Jamaican. You're adopted Jamaican. Yeah. Them tell me say me adopted. But that's my family. That's my family. Yeah. My family. Yep. I love them. Yeah, man. Things are gone. Yep. When we used to go to a club, and they used to call her from the club, you know. They used to call her from the club, the owner of the club, because we used to go to round robin where every owner of the clubs, like they would switch who was hosting. One host this week, next week somebody else, another club host, next week another club, next week another club. Yeah. They used to beg we for come around robin. Then upon Friday and Saturday night, they used to call we about if we not come a club. Yeah. Used to beg we if we not come a club. They all put reserve upon the table for it, man. And then put reserve upon the table. They said the club is not to see him unless we did it. Yeah. And whenever you used to, me not show off, you know, please don't take it that way. Me just to talk about our experiences. Our you know, we never used to pay for getting to the club. Our pay for getting to the club was a hug. We used to hug the bouncers would say, where's my hug? Yeah. Every club we'll go to. And it was like the same 4 clubs. Yeah. Hug was our entrance in. Yep. Yeah, man. Me have some good time. Me have some good time in New York. Me have some good time in Jamaica. Yep. Remember when we used to go to Sound Clash? Yes. Used to go to Sound Clash. Remember when we used to go to Stone Love? Yes. Stone Love. Remember Stone Love? I must remember Stone Love. Yeah. Used to go to Stone Love. And you have a whole bagload of people around you. And man, when you want to go to the bathroom, I just squat down between 2 cars and squat and take a piss. Yeah. Squat and piss. Yep. Do that too. Squat and piss. Between 2 cars. Yeah. Yep. Do that too. Remember one time we'd go a one party, right? And yeah, a 2-car load away, you know. And I'm a race. Michael and him cousin. And a standard, you know. Remember saying most cars are Jamaica that me know of back then were standard. So because the car was so packed, me sit down into the middle, right by the console, and my 2 feet on the passenger side. But my hip, right, not far from the gear. So every time I need for shift, it's like, him a blame me, say me and I'm way, but I couldn't move. The car was packed. Yeah, the car was packed. And I'm a race. Me swear, said I'm gonna turn over. Oh my God, me just scared. Them I go upon some curve and I pass and I, man, drive crazy. For see who could I win. Blame me. Say for me fault. Why and lose? Yeah, for me fault. Cause my hip was in the way of him shifting the car. I kind of sitting that. Yeah. Yep. All them time there. Me never know anything name resort. Me never know one name resort. Me never had experience resort. Yep. Stay with Chocolate Family or at Chocolate and her husband's house. Yeah, or a family house. Yeah. But miss get to experience Jamaica on a whole different level. Yeah. I'm glad I experienced it that way before going to a resort, because it made me respect and, you know, get a better understanding of the Jamaican culture, staying with people who live there and, you know, their everyday life and, you know, things that them go through and their, yeah, coconut. You know, anybody say you want the coconut water? I'll go pick one for you, you know. I'll go pick one for you. Yeah, go pick it. Chop it off. Chop off the tip. Yep. Jelly water. Coconut jelly water. Yeah, nice. Nice. We have some good time I had. Good time. Really good time. Yep. New Year's, ringing the New Year at Jamaica, Christmas at Jamaica. Man, one of my favorite songs, man, I can't think of, it's a Jamaican Christmas time. I don't know the name of it, but a Jamaican Christmas time in other words. Yeah. I love this song. Every Christmas I play it. Every Christmas from way back then to now. I play that song there every year. Me and my car, I beat to the song. Christmas in Jamaica. Yep. Another Tony Braxton song, you know. Another Tony Braxton, Christmas in Jamaica. Can't remember who sing the song there, but it's in my song list. It's in my song list. Yep. My Christmas song list has one song in there. Yep. Yep. Long time around chocolate. Almost 30 years now we've been friends. Long time. Long time. Yeah. I learned a lot about the Jamaican culture from her. She teach me enough. She teach me how to cook. Always, of course, first, make sure you wash your meat. Of course, you want to see that in the post. You have to put that in the post. Wash your meat first. Make sure you wash your meat. Make sure you season your meat with things other than just salt and pepper. Yeah. And not only just powder seasoning, you have to use onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, ginger. Yeah, tomato. Depending on what you're cooking, obviously, with the tomato. Because if you're cooking curry, obviously, you're not going to put tomato in a curry. I learn a lot. Yep, I learn a lot. Learn a lot from her. She is a good friend. She not just say, oh, well, you're American and we'll just talk American to you. No, she want me to learn where she come from. But, you would have some people that say, we're there America, a pure American, them chat around you. No. She said, more you for learn my culture, more you for see where me I come from. A real good friend will make you, take you to understand places and see what to experience their culture. I mean, she lives here in America. There's really not much I could show her that she can't see on her own. But for me to go to another country and learn things in Jamaica, yeah. Yep. She teach me a lot, show me different things like, the different fruits and Jamaican apple versus American apple, and tasting a pineapple at Jamaica versus tasting a pineapple up here. It's different. It tastes different. The pineapple up here, the pineapple at Jamaica is better. I'm sorry. I'm not be biased, but it's better. The pineapple of Jamaica is better. Guinep. Yeah. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Yeah. Not to mention my favorite oxtail. Curry goat. Yeah. Rice and peas. Gungo rice and peas. Yep. Breadfruit. Yeah. She showed me a lot. Teach me a lot. Yep. Teach me a lot. So when I ended up marrying my husband, I know and understand a lot of sitting. So it wasn't like him could take credit for any of the things I know. Because chocolate, they done teach me already. And can't take credit. Chocolate done teach me already. Yep. She teach me. Yeah. Man. Jamaica is not the land of my birth, but it is a second home to me. Second home to me. America is the land of my birth. Jamaica is my second home. It's my home away from home. Yeah, my home away from home. Yep. I could tell you guys about another sitting. But just remember this, But just remember this. Let me tell you about one time. Right? We did a drink. And we did go stay my brother-in-law house. Not Michael, Fim brother. Fim other brother. And we did go stay down there with him wife and him kids. And then daughter young, in a stroller. We grown people. a drink in the side for push each other in the stroller. Yeah, push each other in the stroller till the stroller broke. The stroller broke. We're too big for that stroller. The stroller can't handle big people. Yeah, stroller broke. Alright, once the stroller broke, what we start do? Jockey buck. Play chicken. Who can knock who off a hoof a buck? Yes. Drunk. All the way did I drink. All the way did I drink. Who can knock who off of each other buck? And then time them a maga, you know. Maga. Flat belly. Yes. Flat belly. Bit it light. Yep. Oh, you know when I find out I'm pregnant with my second son? At Jamaica, you know. Chocolate look upon me. Me did have on this jumper. And we just stand outside the gate. Right? Let me have on this jumper. Remember saying my belly did flat, you know. Yeah, my belly did flat. Me did have on this jumper. And Chocolate look upon me and say, you know, say you're pregnant. Say, lie, I tell. Move from here with that. She said, no, I'm serious. You're pregnant. I said, no, man, I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant. Sure enough, when we come back up here, she said, take a pregnancy test when we go back home. When we come back, sit and turn positive quick. Yeah, turn positive quick. She did right. But she did tell me with the first one too. When she see me, she said, you're pregnant, you know. I said, lie. I'm not pregnant. Me did pregnant for true. Yep, she said, me see it in your face. We can see your features change. Me said, my features are changed. She said, yes, man, your features change. Can see it upon you, you're pregnant. She said, you want bet? Me say, yeah, man, no bet. We go a pharmacy. Go buy a pregnancy test. Go back home. And take the pregnancy test. Man, I never know say a pregnancy test could turn positive so quick. Yeah, positive quick. Yep, see the two line. Pregnant. I said, jeez, chronosa. Yeah. I don't think so. I did ready for a baby, but guess what? I'm not having a choice. Baby, I come. Yep. My period was all over the place, so we could have gone months without seeing it. So I never think nothing when in a come. I never think twice when in a come. But when that test come up positive, I say, you? No, sir. But I want you to tell me nothing about no pregnancy again. Yeah. But then she tell me with my second one, she did right. I said, geez, I'm cruel. Oh, you know? She said, me know. Can see the change in you. Me around you for so many years, me can see the change in you. Yeah. She did right in the backside. Pregnant for true. Both of them. And in my second trimester. It's the first trimester. Both of them. All three of them actually. It's the first trimester. Never know some are pregnant. Chocolate. She. Yep. She call it down upon me. No, a joke. She never call it down upon me, but she did right. She did right on. Me did pregnant for true. Yep. And she helped me name my picnic them, you know. She helped me name my picnic them. Yep, she helped me name the two boys. And I remember she did help me with my daughter, but I know say the two boys she helped me with. Yeah, she helped me with. Tyrese, my oldest, she picked his first name, I picked his middle name. Second, same thing with my second one. She picked the first name, me picked the middle name. Same way so. Yep. Chocolate helped me name my two boys. Yep. She was there all through my pregnancy. All through my pregnancy. Yeah. Talk about true friend. Yep. When me the pregnant with my first one, me used to have back problems. So they were gonna induce me that day anyway. But that morning, we're going to labor. So with the backside of going, me in the bathroom on the toilet on the toilet. Go lay down. I said, no, man, you have to go to the bathroom. Go back into the bathroom. Go back, go lay down. On the toilet, off the toilet. She had to go to work. And my kid's father did have to go to work. And she said, no, man, I don't want to leave you. You're not labor. I said, my mother's on her way. I'm going to go on. If anything, we'll call you. When my mother come. My mother was like 5 minutes. From the time them left to the time my mother come was about 5 minutes. My mother come. And she put one garbage bag down upon the seat just in case my water broke, so I'm in a row in a car with my water breaking. Yeah. We get to the hospital and they roll me straight to maternity. Whoop! Straight to maternity. Me gone. Yeah. Me call her and say, you better hurry up and come, cause you come like this baby, I'll go come quick. Yeah. Come like this baby, I'll go come quick. Cause by that time them me did dilate enough. Cause out 2 weeks before me did even go into labor, I had dilated 4 centimeters and I walk around for 2 weeks. Yeah. Yep. And she rush. I don't know how she not get a speeding ticket or ticket for running the light. Yeah, me a chat. Me a chat pan you, Chocolate. Yeah, me a talk. Show her enough light and speed. She speed. Come to hospital. Yep. I said, I don't know how long this baby I'll go wait before this baby decided to go come out. And she and my kid's father. She are driving now. A good thing, cause him drive slow. Yeah. They probably would. Maybe they would have got there about 2 years later. A joke. They would have got there if he had driven, but not as fast as when she drove. And drive slow. But Chocolate, she said she not rump, she not business. And they couldn't tell her nothing at work. Could not tell her nothing. She said she not business. If they want to fire her, then we're gonna have to fire her. But she nah, miss. She nah. She have to go to hospital. She tell them say my best friend's in labor and me a left. Yep. That's a sister. That's a sister, may I tell you, a sister. Yep. She was there for, except she wasn't there for my daughter's birth, because my daughter was wee hours of the morning, so. But she come the next day. She come the next day for come see her. Yep. She was at the hospital the day at the hospital when I delivered. Yep. She was there. That's what you call a friend. That's what you call a sister. Yeah. Thick and thin. Did it for you through thick and through thin. Nobody couldn't separate we. Nobody couldn't separate we. Mama used to call we bench and body. Yeah, bench and body. Where you see one, you see the other. To this day. Where you see one, you see the other. Yeah. I wish people could have somebody as amazing, even half as amazing as chocolate, you would be blessed. Half as amazing as chocolate, you would be blessed. Nah, put my mouth around and talk. Me nah wait till things happen and she no around me. Me tell her say how much me cherish our friendship, how much me cherish our sisterhood, you know, our being part of my family. Yeah, my kids call her auntie that, auntie chocolate that. Yes, the rump. Yeah, my kids love chocolate like cooked food. Yeah, like cooked food. Yep, love her. She was there for them, all of them. Yep, she was there through all my pregnancies, through all my ups, my downs, my good times, my bad times. When I go through difficult times, she was my shoulder to cry on, my shoulder to lean on. Yeah, chocolate. If Uno ever knew how amazing that woman is, if Uno ever knew the half of how amazing she is. Yep. There is nothing too good for me to give to chocolate. Yeah? Nothing. Chocolate asks me for anything, me I give it to her. If me have it, me I give it to her. God know. Anything she want it, me I go give it to her. Yep. And vice versa. She would do the same for me. She would do the same thing for me. Yep. One hand wash the other. Yep. We'll go through good times. We'll go through bad times. We'll laugh together. We'll cry together. We'll argue. We'll fight. We'll cuss each other. And then 2 minutes later, we are chat. And everybody will look upon me like, now the two who did it. Wait a minute. The two who were just cussing each other out. And now the two who are laughing and go on the most way. No, sir. That's one relationship them say them not get involved in. Because you see one thing. You see when them jump in. As much as me and her might be cussing each other, we will turn upon them for getting involved in a full argument. No, man, you need to stay out in the two-way attack. The two-way attack. Yeah. That's one thing them say. Me? Now stay out of chocolate and vanilla arguments. Not get involved. Yeah. Yep. The two husbands both say the same thing. Them not get involved in them full argument. Nope. Because we might be cussing and arguing in a go on the most way yes. 2 minutes later, we'll laugh like nothing happened. I just so steer. Yes. You see, when you understand somebody and know how far you've come from, and you can, like, even 10 minutes later, we'll laugh about the stuff we were arguing about. Yeah, we'll laugh about all kind of foolishness that we did go on with. You know what I'm saying? Just that type of friendship we have, you know? Yeah. She's an amazing person. Yeah, she is an amazing person. I can't wait for anybody who will come to the awards who are going to be chocolate. I guarantee y'all gonna love her. Guarantee. If you want to bet, we can bet, you know. We can bet. Yeah, I guarantee so y'all gonna love her. Yep. Caring, funny. She's a good listening ear. Anything, you know, she did it. She's there to, you know, go through relationship problems. She's my listening ear. She give me advice. or, you know, if me I cry, or, you know, whatever me I go through. Yeah. Yep. Going upon job interview. Me and her. The night before a job interview. She interview me. And I give me pointers. And vice versa. I do the same thing for her. Yep. I so will rule. Yep. Love that. Love my sister Chocolate. Yes, man. Yep. She's an amazing woman. Amazing. Yes. I'm glad to say wanna get for meet Chocolate. I'm glad for those who are gonna get to meet Chocolate at the International Women's Achievement Award. Yeah. You're gonna love her. Yep. Promise you that. Promise you. You'll not regret it. So if you don't have your tickets, remember, tomorrow night, Chocolate and I will be giving away two tickets to the International Women's Achievement Award, IWAA 2022. Yes. You have to come out. You have to represent. Yes. Come see. First of all, come support Auntie Donna. She's not only the host, but she's getting an award. Yes. And then you get to see all the other platforms. You get to see Chris and Cosm, Lady V, Dr. Love, Chocolate and Vanilla, Cora Obidi. Yes. Vibes turn up. You hear me? Turn up. This year I got turned up. Promise you that. Yeah. Yep. Alright, guys. Now I gotta get going, you know. I've been sitting here since me come out. The pharmacy probably soon lock. I come out from the pharmacy. Say me, come on live. Me come get my prescription and the pain medicine. Then give me. Then you tell me if I get some pain medicine. Tylenol and ibuprofen plus the prescription. Yeah. Let me sit down and say me I'll come on live. Come chat to my kings and queens. Yeah. Alright, guys. Don't forget, tomorrow night we will be tasting Miss Lothian's fruitcake and rum punch, giving away 2 tickets to the International Women's Achievement Award. I mean, also there's something else we're going to be doing, but right now I can't remember. So you'll have to come tune in to find out. Yep. All right, take care, kings and queens. Love you. Big up yourself. I hope you have a blessed day, night, evening, morning, whatever it may be for you. Yes, it's night for me, but I hope you guys have a blessed night. We will see you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Big up yourself. Bless you. Love you guys. Take care. All right. Bye-bye.